I can demo some stuff. No emojis in my work today, uh, but I appreciate Luke keeping the emojis strong. Okay, so well, first thing is that column width. They landed. You can stretch stuff. All the stuff that Sarah showed off last week exists. So that's cool. Um, Earlier in the week, Jack surfaced an issue where people didn't want the row numbers here on the table. That was really simple, so we just did it. There's now a toggle for that. Um, and then the last table improvement from this week is, oops, when you're selected, we now have column alignment in here. So you can center or right align, and the same stuff exists in here. So we can right align, and that gets kind of interesting because like if you have a measure with bars, then now you can center align those or right align those. And the interesting thing about center aligned is that you can kind of make a nice funnel viz out of it if you center align the bars. So we have like center aligned bars with additional information to the right, and you can make sort of like an in-table funnel viz, which is a pretty interesting like fallout from that feature. Um, Moving on. So the other thing I've been working on is we were talking about performance in the table and how to sort of keep performance as a first class feature. And so I'm investigating sort of on a spike a canvas based solution to the table. We have a few things in here, like we have the bars and all of that working, and it's pretty smooth. The sort of example of this though would be to just like create a massive query with maybe, yeah, 50,000. So it's running right now, but this is like 50,000 rows, and it's very smooth. Kind of jump to anywhere in it, and it's almost instantaneous. There's a lot of like interaction still to rebuild and things like that, but and this is still like a spike. It's something that we're investigating, but it is at least an interesting direction to pursue, since even with today's tables, they're DOM based, and with virtualization and everything else, they still can get a little slow, and we still have to be very careful about like optimizing them. And so I think this is a pretty interesting direction to pursue. More on that in the future, probably, because this is just like 2 days of work.